Alright guys, so today I got a request from M1, so today we doing reactions, and let's get to it.
Mario, smash! I'm the incredible plumber here!
My name is Raziel.
Mamma mia!
We are together once again. Didn't you do the production of Hamlet at RADA?
Oh yes, that's the sound way right. Swallow my tonsils.
Yes.
I give the tonsil back to me.
You also swallow.
And what are you doing? You know better.
I was gonna take my brother Luigi to the chocolate factory because he won the golden ticket when I bought chocolate from a store.
I don't care.
Whoa, he's so mean. I know, right? Yeah. No.
How about this? We shall just let it go.
Good idea, little brother.
Then we must hurry. Mario!
Hey, you're not the reason to holler. Luigi, I'm right here, you know.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
That one was really good. I kind of liked it. The video was really awesome, and thank you M1 for requesting this to me, and I'll see you in the next video.